Soon after Bill Chayakan votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Rasta Marcus is so high, man. Hear the thunder roll so deep. Voice of Jah awake the sleep. Shake the mountain, shake the land. Thunder sound the righteous hand. Babylon tremble, fear the call. Thunder break them system wall. Every clap a prophecy. Thunder roar eternally. Children stop and listen clear. Thunder say Jah always near. Elder lift them hands so high. Thunder echo across the sky. Not of terror, not of hate. Thunder seal Jah righteous fate. Every roll a holy flame. Thunder glorify Jah name. Desert quake and forest cry. Thunder echo far and high. Ocean wave and rivers flow. Thunder let the nations know. No false king can hide away. Thunder of Jah here to stay. Generation hear the sound. Thunder shake the battleground. Prophet chant and priest proclaim. Thunder speak Jah mighty name. Babylon weapon can compete. Thunder call make truth complete. Every ear must hear the sign. Thunder voice is pure divine. From creation till the end. Thunder guide the foe and flame of fire, flash of light. Thunder break the darkest night. No corruption, no deceit. Thunder guide the righteous feet. Everlasting, strong and true. Thunder sound for me and you. Eternal voice, eternal song. Thunder roar the whole day long. Roll, mighty sound. Shake the sky and shake the ground. Thunder call, no man can hide. Thunder voice, for Zion guide. Thunder of Jah, whole and free. Sound of truth for you and me. Shake the nation, break the chain. Thunder voice forever reign. Eternal calling, strong and sure. Thunder of Jah shall endure. Smoke a skunk with Marcus, yeah, man. In the morning, do so sweet. Garden eternal at Jah feet. Every flower, every tree. Sing a song of unity. Babylon desert can't destroy. Garden bloom with Jah joy. Every root a sacred flame. Garden praise Jah holy name. then keep the people well. No corruption, no despair. God then show Jah everywhere. Everlasting, pure and strong. God then chant Jah holy song. Morning sun and evening star. God then eternal, near and far. From the root to canopy. God then shine eternally. Generations yet unborn. Garden blooming early morn. Eternal dwelling strong and free. Garden guide humanity. Grow, grow, holy seed. Garden give the its need. Rise, rise, flower bright. Garden shine in Jah light. Garden eternal, pure and true. Bloom forever for me and you. Every season strong and free. Garden of Zion unity. Forever blooming, never gone. Garden sing Jah holy song.
Na 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 Zion and ganja man.
Nightfall come, the world so still. Moon of Zion shine Jah will. Silver glow upon the land. Moonlight blessing by Jah hand. Babylon darkness can't prevail. Moonlight guide the righteous trail. Every beam a holy flame. Moon reflect Jah holy name. Children rest and mothers pray. Moonlight bless the righteous way. Elders chant beneath the glow. Moon of Zion, let them know. Not in shadow, not in fear. Moonlight blessing always near. Every cycle strong and true. Moonlight guide both me and you. Ocean tide obey the call. Moonlight blessing shine for all. Traveler lost upon the sea. Moonlight set his spirit free. Every dream of vision clear. Moon of Zion always near. Generations gaze above. Moonlight blessing full of love. Through the valley, through the plain. Moonlight shining, joy and pain. Babylon weapon can't destroy. Moonlight blessing Jah employ. Every star a witness stand. Moon reflect the holy plan. Endless cycle pure and bright. Moon of Zion guard the night. Prophecy and poet write. Moon inspire Jah light. Every creature small and great. Moonlight bless the righteous faith. From creation till today. Moonlight guide the holy way. Eternal promise never cease. Moon of Zion shine in peace. Yeah. Yeah. sky so bright. Son of Zion, bring the light. Every shadow fade away. Sun declare a righteous day. Babylon throne can't withstand. Son of Jah, shine the land. Every ray of prophecy, sun illuminate eternity. Children laughing golden flame, sun exalt Jah holy name. Elders chant with joyful sound. Son of Zion spread around. Not of violence, not of war. Sun bring peace forevermore. Every field begin to grow. Son of Zion blessed below. Desert bloom, the river shine. Son of Zion, pure divine. Traveler lost upon the road. Sun reveal the righteous code. No man strong enough to hide. Son of Jah, forever guide. Generation see the sign. Son of Zion, bright line. Through the storm, Son of Zion still perform. Babylon crumble, wall decay. Son of Jah light the way. Every heart a fire burn. Son of Zion always return. Morning glory, endless flame. Sun proclaim Jah mighty name. Far horizon, east to west. Son of Zion, never rest. Every nation, every race. Son of Zion, shine with grace. Everlasting, pure and true. Son of Zion, for me and you. From creation till today. Son of Jah, forever stay. Shine, shine, holy light. Guide the people through the night. Rise, rise bright and free. Son of Zion, prophecy. Son of Zion, burning strong, like the people all along. From the morning till the end. Son of Jah, our guiding friend, forever shining, never gone. Son of Zion, carry on. Ay, 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 Zion Reggae, man. Early morning light peeks through the hills. Rasta rise with the lion's will. Steam rising from the chalice cup. Herbs are feeling we fully top. Ancient drum talk, heartbeat sound. One foot in Zion, the other on ground. We chant down fear, chant up love. Guided by Jah from above. Roots of the mountain, strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just Irie soul, pure levitation. Walk through mist in a silence deep. The earth she speak, in secret she keep. Each leaf a scroll, each breeze a verse. Teaching we how to lift the curse. Babylon fall in a ego and Rasta heart at the compass true. No clock rule what Jaman do. We flow with time like rivers bend. This roots man life, it not pretend. Roots of the mountain strong and free. Smoke in the air like mystery. Meditation under ancient trees. We chant for peace, chant for ease. No stress in this high vibration. Just Irie soul, pure levitation. Children dance in a barefoot style. Elders bless with a knowing smile. The rhythm is older than Babylon scheme. Reggae a voice from the ancestral dream. This ain't no hype or music fake. It's a heartbeat song for soul to wake. One drop rhythm, lightning fire. Burn down light, build truth higher. So light up the chalice, pass it round. Let the smoke rise up off the ground. In a silence, we hear creation. Zion echoes, vibration. From roots to crown, we elevate. No hate, just love, we cultivate. And when the sun sets behind the hill, still chanting we, chanting still. Roots of the mountain, strong and free. Smoking the air like mist.
Nana, ganja everywhere, yeah man. Me day up on the earth with no cheering from me mind. Me spirit like a lion, ancient and divine. No gold watch, no office life. Just the sun, me herbs and natural life. Me walk barefoot, panjalan. Feel the heartbeat in a me hand. Mountains whisper secrets deep, and me hold them sacred in a sleep. Firelight and freedom, that me need. Herby naturalist, pure soul me feed. From Kingston to Addis, me heart a drum. Rasta nah run, we just chant and come. Firelight and freedom, no stress me keep. Just chant a psalm when the night get deep. Give thanks for the moon and stars above. Every draw me take is a prayer of love. Me no need mansion or diamond ring. The highest treasure is the song me sing. Me life no complicated, me keep it real. I tell you cook while me spin the wheel. No TV brainwash, no fake illusion. Me sip me roots tonic for clear confusion. Rasta teach patience, Rasta teach grace. Me move with balance in a job place. Me see people chase things them can't even hold. Me prefer a hammock and sunshine gold. Rasta no bow to vanity dream. Me tread light through every stream. Me light one candle, burn one leaf. Me chant out pain, me chant out grief. Jah guide me steps through thunder and storm. Me spirit stay cool, me heart stay warm. Firelight and freedom, me inner guide. No system can drown this holy tide. Me blaze one eye, give thanks in song. Rasta nah stray, me roots too strong. No preacher, no ruler control me fate. Me soul walk free through Zion gate. Each morning me rise with the birds. Me write me joy in musical words. Me plant me seeds with love and care. And me meditate till me mind feel clear. Herb is me healing, not me escape. Me no run from truth, me shape me fate. Every draw a sacred right. Open me mind to inner sight. Rasta life no easy, but it's full. Full of vibes and spiritual pull. When me drum, me talk to stars. Me soul connect with ancestors afar. So me sing with no fear. Me chant till Babylon disappear. Firelight and freedom, soul liberation. Ganja burn down, mental separation. From hillside jump to concrete lane. Rasta vibration will still remain. Firelight and freedom, sweet release. Me live for love, me live for peace. So come here now and rest your mind. Leave your phone, your clock behind. Under stars with my ablingy flame. Me call your name and feel no shame in this life of rhythm and reason. Me hold tight to firelight and freedom.
Voices of prophets long time gone. Them warn we bout chains in a silver guise. Them said the system wear disguise. Gold teeth, big screen, plastic smile. But all them path is pure big guile. Me nah fall fi Babylon bluff. Me built from roots, me spirit tough. Me carry words like sacred flame. Me chant each verse in Jah name. Me see the towers high and proud, but underneath me hear the crowd screaming for justice, crying for peace. But Babylon hand never release. Dust of the prophets rise again, float through street like holy rain. Voice of truth now ever die. It live in I, it live in I. Dust of the prophets blowing breeze through ghetto lane and ancient trees. It called the children, be awake, fi tear down wall, fi roots remake. Me sit in a silence overstand, home and trade soul, fi piece of land. Them build the system strong like gate, but every gate still bound fi break. Now remember teachings of me forefathers, how them chant through fire, still them rise. Me nah go bout to take over lords. Me read me fate in just stars. Me words them sharp like cane machete. Me truth nah sweet but it necessary. Them try fi blur the sacred line, but I walk straight, design divine. Me nah trust no politician mouth. Them smile while robbing north and south. But in a me yard, me chant me psalm. Me spirit cool, me heart stay calm. Dust of the prophets rise again, float through street like holy rain. Voice of truth now ever die. It live in I, it live in I. Dust of the prophets blowing breeze through ghetto lane and ancient trees. It called the children, be awake, fi tear down wall, fi roots remake. Me see the signs pon every wall, the ancient ones still make them call. Rise up people, no more wait. Truth now come from heads of state. Me say revolution start from soul, before we ever take back control. Free your mind, take off the chain, dance pan style, feel the rain. Me plant me open fertile ground, where them system can't track nor hound. Me future bright, me steps them sure. Me chant feel love that will endure. Dust of the prophets rise again.
No, 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 no. No, no, no. Zion, Ragayaman. No, 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 no.
Judah in a high man stride. Me no need no gold, chain or fame. Me carry Jah light and chant his name. Peace in the heart, fire in the soul. We living the word, not playing no role. Roots temple, rise and shine. Herbs born strong, spirit align. Mountains call, winds reply. Rasta reach in a morning sky. No preacher, no plan, no disguise. Just clean meditation, open eyes. Come inside the temple made of trees. No wall, no door, just healing breeze. Herbs from the earth, wisdom from the stars. Ancient truths written in scars. We drum to connect, we sing to feel. We reason about what Babylon conceal. But today we not talk about no system. We give thanks for life and praise the rhythm. Roots temple, lift me up. Fill me chalice, pour Jack up. In a silence me hear the sound. Heartbeat of earth, so profound. This ain't no fiction, no fairy tale. This is real life, roots on sacred trail. And when the moonlight dance pan leaves, me chant a psalm and me soul believes. No fear when Jah lights around. No lies can shake this holy ground. Me trod in a circle of ancient peace, where hate and ego cease to exist. Me no need church, me no need crown. Me sit in a roots temple, burn it down. You them a come, searching for guide. Me show them the smoke and say step inside. But first give thanks, then spark the flame. Then let the silence call Jah name. Me teach bout herbs, me teach bout drum. How fi hear Jah voice when the world get dumb. Each puff a prayer, each beat a truth. Me pass the torch from elder to youth. Roots temple, lift me high. Blaze and meditate till we touch the sky. No money, no hype, just word, sound, power. In a lion strength and rainbow shower. When me leave this place, me spirit stay. In a roots temple where the drums still play. Where time slow down and thoughts get clean. Where we sip ital tea and sight unseen. So remember this when life get cold. Come back to roots, come back to soul. Zion echoes, carry the flame. Roots temple, remember the name. Ay, ay, ay. Smoker. Split with Zion, Ragaya man. On the Irie highway, we cruising slow. Smoke from the chalice start to flow. Sky wide open, no cloud in our sight. Rasta heartbeat steady through the night. We no follow, no system clock. We move with the sun, step with the rock. Herbs in a hand, wisdom in a head. Jah guide with steps where angels tread. Irie highway, carry me home. Far from concrete and Babylon dome. Blaze up the fire, chant to the sky. Lift up the spirit and let it fly. One love vibration, no complication. Just herbs and meditation. I remember days under city light. Soul in a cage, heart lose fight. But Jah call me through the smoke and breeze. Whispering softly through sacred trees. Now me barefoot on sacred land.
drumming truth with the healing and no fear. In a this sacred path, just love and the ancient craft. Irie highway, take I far, past illusion, past war. Rasta will turn in Jah direction, roots man soul in resurrection. We no chase money, we no chase fame, just the Irie fire and Jah name. They don't teach this in a no school. How fi live humble, how fi stay cool. Herb in a pipe, knowledge in a heart. That's where the higher living start. So when you're lost in a world of fear, step on the highway, Jah draw near. I see the stars winking at the sky, like them know how the truth lie. We sip tea from the roots and leaves, balance the body, calm the breeze. No need for stress, no need for rest. Jah timing always in place. Rasta no rush, Rasta no run. We move with the moon and praise the sun. Irie highway, freedom call. No wall too high, no Babylon tall. Smoke up, rise up, chant and pray. We dip on the Irie highway. So if you feel down, feel out of breath, come find life beyond the death, beyond the system, beyond the screen. There's a place where the soul stay clean. This is reggae, for the meditation, words of fire, soul salvation, Zion echoes, call your name. Irie highway, feel no shame.
Me build me hut, smoke rise slow, peaceful up me gut. No stress, no rush, no deadline. Just the herbs, the drum and just sunshine. Wake up with the sunrise glow, cup of bush tea, watch the stream flow. Birds are sing rhythm pon the tree. Nature surround, I just set I free. Me no have no mansion, me no have gold, but the wisdom in me soul that never get old. Me burn the chalice with a humble heart. Each draw remind I way life start. Hillside vibration, higher meditation, ganja in a hand, no hesitation. Drum beat echo in a morning ear. One love spread, no hatred here. Rasta live simple, Rasta live wise, with the stars above and roots fi guide. No traffic, no siren, no noise, just the flute and the Rasta voice. Me plant me food, me reap me ground. Give thanks when the rain come down. Me reason with me elders, laugh with me youth. Teach them fi stand firm in a Jah truth. Nights we chant, blaze fire upon hill, drumming and chanting until we feel still. Hillside vibration, sacred foundation, blaze one feature in a full dedication. We no need no fancy screen, just stars and firelight in between. Rasta na follow, Rasta lead, with natural love and righteous seed. too much man, chase shadow and dream. Blind to the light and Jah redeem. But up your soul, me find me breath. Away from confusion, away from death. Each leaf me touch, each tree me pass. Teach I listen, show I class. I walk with the moon and tide, and chant melodies with nature as guide. Children run barefoot in the yard. Life sweet like mango from me backyard. Me play me guitar under the stars. Sing for the ancestors near and far. Me no need no applause, me no need fame. Me chant in the hills with Jah holy name. Me no war, me no fuss, me live clean. Me temp me natural, me vibe serene. Hillside vibration, soul elevation with ital stew and deep meditation. Come fi visit but leave your worry. Me teach you how to slow, no hurry. Inna the hills, Rasta man reign with a smiling heart and no pain. So if Babylon life make you feel low, come find Rasta up where breeze blow. Ganja drum and harmony, live free under Jah canopy. Zion echoes bring this sound from hillside art to world around. Zion is the king, yeah, man. Me see her walk like breeze pan river. Every step make me heart beat shiver. Crown pan her head, spirit so divine. She now wear gold, but she always shine. King Ital chanting Psalms 23. Me empress guide me spiritually. She no bow down to vanity. Jamaica pure in simplicity. She a the queen of me temple, fire of me night. She light me chalice and hold me tight. She teach me patience, she keep me wise. With just one gaze from her soulful eyes. Yeah, she a roots gal, pure and true. When me lose me way, she bring me through. She a the queen of the natural vibes. Inna this chaos, she help me survive. Me empress rise before the sun. Meditate long for the day begun. She plant the seeds, she know the land. She build the future with her bare hand. She read scriptures like lullaby and teach the youth them not to lie. Me love how she not chase trend, but live with honor, start to end. Many woman me see, but she stand alone. With lioness, heart and spirit grown. She no need crown fi rule me throne. Her vibe more rich than gem and stone. We burn herb under the moonlight. She speak truth, me feel right. No drama, just roots and care. Me give thanks for Jah answer prayer. She a the queen of me temple, reason of me song. With her by me side, me stand strong. She roll up wisdom, burn the shame. She call me king, she know me name. Yeah, she a roots gal, humble and free. She move with grace like ocean sea. She a the queen of the Rasta flame, and me love her more each time me call her name. Me empress no flex feel likes. She meditate more than she type. She know how Babylon try confuse, but she stay steady, she never lose. She dress royal but live low key. Speak soft but move like prophecy. Every youth see her want to learn how to live righteous, how to earn. She She are the queen of me temple, warrior soul. With ancient knowledge, she keep me whole. She plant me joy, she reap me pain. She cool me fire like mountain rain. Yeah, she a roots, girl, light and spark. She guide me path when life get dark. She a the queen of the Zions. Oh, me say rise up, rise up. The struggle real, but we no give up. Jah bless me soul, me nah lose hope. Rise up, rise up. Them want see we fall, but we stand tall. No care about the system, them can't hold we down at all. We a warrior, me tell you, say me born for fight. Me light up the darkness, me shine so bright. Them try to lock me spirit in a cage. Them write the laws, but me turn the page. Just set me free, so me claim my place. Me walk with courage, me move with grace. Rise up, stand firm on your feet. No matter how the wicked them a plan for defeat. Rise up, make your spirit shine. Me know I said the victory are for mine. Me see Babylon, them corrupt and cold. Them sell them soul for the diamonds and gold. But me no bow, me no sell out my faith. Me chant my songs, me no fear the hate. The youth them lost, them searching for guide. Me tell them look inside, no follow the lies. Jah give we wisdom, Jah give we light. Me walk with the truth, me walk with the right. Rise up, stand firm on your feet. No matter how the wicked them a plan for defeat. Rise up, make your spirit shine. Me know I said the victory are for mine. Me chant for the people, me chant for the youth. Me chant for the elders, me chant for the truth. Me chant for the love, me chant for the light. Me chant for the freedom, me chant for the fight. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. No stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up.
Aye. Kaya and meditate, ya man. Me walk alone pon a pot of stone. Far from city, from flesh and bone. Me spirit roam in a misty land. Me hold your book, not Babylon brand. No distraction, no vanity. Just the rustle of leaves and sanity. Them say lonely, me say clear. In a silence, your voice appear. In a the quiet I grow. Roots dig deep, and me soul just flow. No crowd, no hype, just me and your light. In a the quiet, me sight get bright. In a the quiet I grow. Like river that no boast but steady flow. Me no fear fi be alone.
'cause in a stillness me find home. Me sit pan rock, the moon me friend. Chalice burn till the night don't end. Them chase fame, them chase illusion. Me hold tight to Jah conclusion. Them build kingdom from concrete steel. Me build strength from what me feel. Me nah envy, me nah war. Me just climb like Zion star. Too much noise in a Babylon town. Them all climb but still fall down. Me climb slow but me climb wise. Me take time to study the skies. In a silence me sing I song. Me chant it soft but me roots strong. Inna the quiet I grow. Rasta seeds in a soul me sow. Me no need crowd fi validate. Me stand firm at Jah gate. Inna the quiet I know. Everything Jah make just so me nah rush, me nah run. Me rise slow like morning sun. Some say silence is punishment, but me know it's a sacrament. For every breath me give thanks. Me walk alone but me full of pranks. Me see them lost in the flashy light. Me trod alone in a sacred night. Me whisper prayer in a ancient tongue. Me chant psalms when me father sung. Me no hide, me no seek. Me just live real, humble and meek. Jah bring storm, but him bring calm. Me find peace in him holy psalm. Inna the quiet I grow. Me not chase what them show. Me not dance fi Babylon stage. Me write truth on every page. Inna the quiet I grow. Even when the cold wind blow, me stay warm with Jah fire. Me stay true, me rise higher. So if you're lost in a crowd, come walk with I. Far from loud, in a bush, in a hills, in a night, you'll find Jah in a natural light. In a the quiet I grow. Ay ay ay. In a the silence, Jah blessings flow. See like my rastas, me stone and sweat come on the side, yeah man. You see I walk through the fire and smoke. She smile like sun, but she not no joke. Locks flowing, eyes them deep. She hold the wisdom you can't fake or keep. Inna the city, full of haste, but she move with royal grace. Sandal on foot, staff in her hand. She walk like queen through concrete land. We step to her, heart a beat. They say, sister, you bring light to the street. She laugh and say, me no look fi fling, me look fi king who chant and sing. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight for right now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night gets warm. faith. We show her how to chant and wait. We not rush, no need no ring, just truth and rhythm. Everything when the system try split the vibe, we meditate and realign. She whisper words, them ancient deep, about river stars and people weep. She not just pretty, she divine. In her soul, Zion sign. We walk hand in hand through dirty lane, but clean in spirit, pure like rain. She said, Babylon can't break with chain. If love remain, we sustain. Rasta love in a Babylon, still burn like sacred song. She and I in sync and strong. Two soul fight, feel right now wrong. We rise like fire in a storm, holding tight when night gets warm. True love, roots connection. Rasta love in a Babylon. We write her name in smoke and star. Tell Jah thank you for who you are. No Gucci thing, no flashy life. She is queen, me empress, me wife. Them I watch and wonder how two Rasta still hold vow. Why world a crumble round the way? We hold hands and start to pray. Me remember when me used to roam. Now she make me heart feel like home. She feed me soul, me give her tune. We rise like sun, we bless like moon. The world still cold, still root. Ay, 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 ay. Jamaica kush inna the chalice, yeah man. Light up the chalice, silence inna the room. Incense mix with the evening bloom. Me sit still like stone, but me mind fly high. Inna the smoke, me reason with the sky. Inna the corner, me sit herbs in a hand. Me float like breeze over Greenland. Meditation deeper than ocean floor. Each breath me take, me open one door. No distraction, no noise, no fight. Just me and Jah inna the soft twilight. Me no need preacher nor politician. Me find truth in the Rasta tradition. Smoke and silence me in a flight. Ganja guide I through darkest night. No chaos, no fear, just vibration. Rasta trod through revelation. Smoke and silence, sacred fire. Me burn it slow and rise up higher. Me hear the leaves whisper in a breeze. Ancient stories travel through trees. Ancestor voice echo in a ear. Me hold still, me listen clear. Ganja show I what Babylon hide. Teach how fi walk with pride. Not in riches nor in fame, but in love and Jah holy name. Me build a temple in me mind, clean and pure, no war inside. Me sip me roots, me burn the leaf. Me sing away me doubt and grief. No judgment here, no hate arrive. Only herbs, only soul, only vibes. Smoke and silence, endless sky. Me meditate till me spirit fly. Me no chase no man-made dream. Me live simple, clean and green. Smoke and silence, high vibration. Me chant through every tribulation. Me teach me youth, hold firm, think deep. Herbs fi uplift, no fi sleep. Me no glorify just the smoke, but the message when the silence spoke. It bring me closer to Jah throne. Me realize me never alone. It heal me scars, it calm me rage. It guide me words when me walk on stage. Too many rush, too many blind. Me take me time, me clear me mind. Me no panic, me no pretend. Me live true from start to end. Smoke and silence bless the ear. Me reason with jam, me soul get clear. Me trod with music, me trod with flame. Me live for love, not name or fame. Smoke and silence, pure connection. Rasta man move in right direction. So come sit with I under the moon. Let the chalice sing a healing tune. In the stillness we rise above, wrapped in herb, music and love. Zion echoes carry this song. Smoke and silence. Jam make me stronger.
Vibration in every sound. Roots run deep, we nah go sway. Rasta youth walk a righteous way. Herbs in a pocket, smile pan face. We burn Babylon without haste. Roots run deep like the Congo drum. Feel it beat like lightning come. Zion echoes in the midnight hour. Me link with stars, me take job power. Me jam in a yard with me brethren them. Real warriors, no need fi pretend. Acoustic vibes and high
metals true. We reason truth while the fire brew. Me play me guitar, them beat them pan. We raise vibration, woman and man. No borders here, just heart and sound. One love vibration, circle round. So if you're tired of concrete gray, come find your peace where the children play. Dance in a field, sing out loud. Lift up your soul and stand so proud. This is Zion Echoes, Irie scene. Reggae roots, so pure, so clean.
Ay, ay, ay. Granat cushion me bang ya man. Early in the morning, sun kiss me skin. Me rule up wisdom, firelight within. Me not burn fi fun or hype or trend. Me burn herb fi heal, fi truth me send. One little draw and me spirit rise. Me see through lies, me cleanse me eyes. Me sit pan rock, watch the eagle fly. Me feel Jah near, me not ask why. Them say weed fi fool, but them blind as still. Me use the leaf fi strengthen will. It open door where system close. It make the rebel mind expose. Sacred smoke, it lift me soul. It carry me away from Babylon control. One breath deep, me heart beat free. Me rise above, me come back to me. Sacred smoke, me cloud and shield. It bring the peace where them try to steal. Me sit in silence, me hear Jah voice. This herb of Zion, it make me rejoice. Me nah sip liquor, me nah pop pill. Me light up chalice, feed Jah will. Me sight roots, inna the flame. Me call ancestors by them name. Me see me granny in the whiff. She smile and send me blessing swift. Me chant rhythm while the ember glow. This ritual make the river flow. No cigarette, no ashtray for me. Me burn the herb and a tamarind tree. Each draw a prayer, each cloud a sign. Each higher stairway to Jah design. Oh, fire burn, but it burn for heal. Me feel the message that Babylon conceal. Me herb is sacred, me herb is life. Me herb cut illusion sharp like knife. No shame, no fear, me carry this flame. Me not play game, me chant Jah name. In a smoke, me find me truth. In a smoke, me heal me youth. Sacred smoke, it lift me soul. It carry me far from the system's role. Me inhale peace, me exhale stress. Me herb a guide, me soul confess. Sacred smoke, me wings and light. It turn me shadow into sight. This is me sacrament, me daily bread. It raise me higher when the world feel dead. Me born with elders, me born with friend. Me born in solitude when vibes ascend. Me born before chant, before me eat. Me born fi cleanse, me in a street. Them try fi lock it, them try fi ban. But Jah plant herb before man. It grow in wild, it grow in free. It grow for you, it grow for me. Me nah abuse, me give respect. Each spliff me build, me heart protect. Me not chase high, me seek insight. Me herb a torch in the longest night. So next time you see smoke rise, no, it's not escape, it's just surprise. It's healing breath in Babylon air. It's rebel right, it's soul repair. Sacred smoke, me roots, me sky. Me journey start where clouds fly high. Give thanks for life, for fire, for breeze. And me chant Rastafari in peace.
bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom, bada boom. Kaya kushina me lung.
Early in the morning, sun touch my dread. Me light up the herb, clear thoughts from me head. Nature surround me, me spirit feel clean. No noise from the system, just bird and green. Barefoot pan earth, connection divine. Me heartbeat sync with jazz design. No gold, no chain, no modern deceit. Just roots and drum and the Naya bingy beat. Me close me eyes, me soul take flight. Through the smoke, me vision get bright. Lion in a me chest, still calm like sea. Meditation guide I to Jah eternally. Me no need no clock, time now run I. Me reason with tree, me speak to sky. I tell food, me soul get fed. Me walk with the ancestors, not misled. Mystic light, a shine from within. Rasta spirit free, never caged in sin. We burn the fire, be clean, we wear one love vibration night and day. Lift up the chalice to Zion heights. Chant down fear, chant upright. Inna the smoke, me find me peace. Rasta meditation, soul release. Babylon build wall, but me plant vine. Me grow me garden sacred and fine. Banana tree, sweet mango ripe. Me play one rhythm and me hold that pipe. Sound system echo across the hill. Sheep and goat feel the roots man will. We not chase vanity, we chase vibes. Positive frequencies, higher tides. Stars talk to I in ancient tongue. Like Solomon wise from I was young. Me carry the staff, me know me road. Me heart full of love, me no carry load. Me no chant against them, me chant for I. For the youth them wake up, look to sky. Inhale deep, exhale pain. Rasta no sunshine, follow rain. Mystic light, a shine from within. Rasta spirit free, never caged in sin. We burn the fire, be clean, we wear one love vibration night and day. Lift up the chalice to Zion heights. Chant down fear, chant upright. Inna the smoke, me find me peace. Rasta meditation, soul release. Jah music heal like river stream. In the heartbeat rhythm, me find me dream. So me play the drum, me sing the song.